So my people, how una dey? How say una dey? Okay, hope say everything dey alright. As we dey talk before for the former one, that is the message wey I record before this one, I dey try explain how the scriptures, which is Old Testament, they don't talk about Jesus, they don't prophesy about him, and how you can fulfill wetin he can do for this earth. People just see this Jesus Christ as good man. This Jesus Christ na good man. This Jesus Christ can show us the way to God. This Jesus Christ he na healer. This Jesus Christ now they call am different things. Many people believe saying na different thing he can't do, but wetin he really can't do? Wetin he really can't do? Now wetin we go and dey ask ourselves. He just come to say make we live good, make we not kill, make we not destroy. Now only that one he can't do. I think he get another thing. Now we dey see am as we point am out. So we go look am properly. We go look am kuro to really see wetin Jesus come do. Some people believe say Jesus na money he can't give them. Jesus come make them get good life, but no, wetin he come do? It is simple. The answer in dey for John 3:16. He say, "For God so loved the world, he can't give the only pikin. He say anybody wey believe in he no go pafoka, but he go get eternal life." So the main koko why Jesus come now make we get it, make we get eternal life. That eternal life, so we go still talk about her, but make we put her for one corner. But to point wetin Jesus come to, it dey clear. Okay, we go also see her for that John. Tell them. Then he said, "The thief cometh not but for to steal, to kill, and to destroy. I am come that you might have life, and that you might have it abundantly." Okay, make I break it down for Pidgin English. He said that thief, the thief, which is the devil, he come, you know, to steal, to thief, to kill, and to destroy people's life. He said, but me, wetin me I come do? The reason why I come, now make you get a life. I come to give you life. And that life now, boku life. That boku life, now the same thing as eternal life. He no come kill anybody. Jesus Christ, when he come make his message clear. So we go also see her for 1 Timothy chapter 1 verse 15. He said, this one, where everybody supposed to put their faith on. He said Jesus Christ come into the world. He come this world to give salvation to sinners. Where be say me, myself, and me be the chief. Now Apostle Paul, he talk that one. Meanwhile, we could share I for John 6:51. He said, now me be the bread we get life. We come from heaven. If anybody, any man, any woman, any boy, any girl, eat this bread, he go live forever. And the bread where I dey give na my flesh, where I go give for the life of the world. So when he say my flesh, he means say na my body, he means say na the sacrifice. So we don't see him say the reason that eternal life. So that be the cocoa way Jesus Christ can give us. He can save sinners. Some people just feel say this Jesus Christ, me I don't need them. Me I don't dey okay. You see those people, so when they talk like that, now sin they inside. Now those some people, now God can save when he give Jesus Christ. So everybody when no believe in Jesus Christ, they call him sinner. When no believe in Jesus Christ, they call him sinner. If we look in John chapter 3 verse 17, he say he no give Jesus Christ to condemn anybody. He no give Jesus Christ to condemn the world. He say but through that Jesus Christ, now the world go dey save. You see how it is simple. Same thing, as simple as the ABC. Now so God make it clear to us. So we go see some places for Bible where that one still dey. Luke 4:18-19, Luke 4:42, Isaiah 61:1-2, John 9:39-41. We go see her for Titus 2:13-14. As one time the full ground. God don't answer our question. It is simple. One thing to save sinner. Now waiting Jesus come do. He not come kill anybody. He not able to go say for Jesus' life. He not kill anybody. Now to tell us say what he can't do, give life. The devil work not to kill. Jesus own not to give life. It is simple. Oh yeah, my people, thank you now. So listen, we could not stay sugar for this channel. We could not go anywhere. We not all.